In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels with filters for organization. By the end, your inbox will start to organize itself automatically, so you spend less time sorting emails and more time actually dealing with what matters. First, open your Gmail inbox in your browser. At the top right corner, look for the small gear-shaped icon. This is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. A quick settings panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. This is where you can manage everything about your Gmail account, including filters and labels, which is what we're focusing on today. Along the top of the settings page, you'll see several tabs such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Find the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses and click on it. This section is where Gmail lets you define rules for how incoming email should be handled automatically. On this page, look for the option that says Create a new filter and click it. A small window will pop up with several fields like From, To, Subject, Has the words, and more. These fields let you tell Gmail exactly what kind of email you want to target. Now type in the details that describe the emails you want to organize. For example, you might put a specific email address in the From field to catch messages from one sender, or a keyword in the subject line, such as invoice or newsletter. You can combine fields if you want more precise filtering. Try to be specific enough so that Gmail doesn't capture unrelated emails by accident. Once you've filled in the details, look for the button that says Create Filter at the bottom right of that window and click it. Gmail will now ask what you want to do with emails that match those conditions. Here you'll see several actions. Find and check the option that says Apply the label. After you tick that box, choose an existing label from the drop-down menu, or create a new label if you don't have one yet. Labels act like folders, but with the advantage that one email can have multiple labels. Finally, confirm your choices and save. From now on, any new email that matches your filter will automatically get that label, helping you keep your Gmail inbox organized with almost no effort.